my channel. It is Gothic Vegan 05 here, back with another video. If you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. I don't know how you stumbled across me, but I really hope that you like what you see and you stick around and you hit that subscribe button. And to all my existing subscribers, hello, welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Now today's video is going to be a VeganKind lifestyle box unboxing. And for any of the people that don't know, VeganKind is an online supermarket for vegan food and vegan food, vegan cleaning materials, snacks, things like that. But they also do 2 subscription boxes. One is a lifestyle box, which is stick to words that we can say. Basically, the lifestyle box is a food box with 1 lifestyle item. That is a monthly subscription box, and including postage and packaging to the UK, that is £13.15 a month. Then they have their beauty box, and that is skincare, makeup, things like that. That's bi-monthly, so every other month, and that is £18.30, including postage and packaging to the UK. That's that bit done. This video isn't sponsored. VeganKind probably don't even know who I am. I've had this box for a year now. I'm not asked to do this. I'm not paid to do this. I pay for all the boxes myself. So your box comes like this, all lovely and packaged up. Comes through the post. And I always like to be surprised as to what is in here. Oops. Okay, so when we open the box, this is what we see. Oops. So there is always, now it tells you who packages and checks your box. It's so Susie and Dorota again. These two, I'm sure that, I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, Dorota. They check and pack my box every month. Thanks, girls. So, every month you also get a recipe card. Oh my gosh. Sophie Ballamore's white chocolate and raspberry treats cake. Oh my gosh. That looks blinking well delicious. I'm going to make that. Oh my gosh. And all you need for this is digestive biscuits, vegan butter, plant-based double cream, dairy-free cream cheese, sugar, icing sugar, white chocolate melted, and fresh raspberries. So I'm gonna make that. That looks divine. Oh my gosh. Whew, yeah, I'm definitely making that. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a video of me making this. Why can't I talk? Oh, get a tooth back in. Right, so now also every month, £200 that is made from these boxes, the VeganKind will sponsor a charity with. And this month, the featured charity campaign is Black Lives Matter, the movement that the VeganKind wholeheartedly supports. This month, we have chosen a charity that supports the black community. This month, we will be sponsoring, oh, sorry, I just spat, Black Minds Matter UK. Their mission is to support in the making mental health topics relevant and accessible for all black people in the UK. They aim to fulfil this by connecting black individuals and families with professional mental health services across the UK. They have put together this organisation to enable as many black people to get specialised help. They have created a fund that will go towards covering the cost of any services that should be beneficial. Finding a therapist and starting your journey towards improved mental health is as easy as browsing the website. Choosing a therapist based on your needs, arranging a session, and they will cover the cost. You can find out more about the incredible work Black Minds Matter. Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, in light of the Black Lives Matter, the charity is Black Minds Matter UK. Oh, cool. Okay, so their website is www.blackmindsmatteruk.com/. Excellent. Okay, so let's get on with the very worthwhile charity there, I feel, due to recent events. Now, so I don't want to have a look. Oh, let's just, first thing, feels like a packet of crisps. Okay, proper chips, sour cream and chive flavoured lentil chips. 93 calories per. I have had this brand before. We've had a lot of this brand, but I don't think I've ever tried this flavour. The sriracha ones, I think, were my favourite. So we have those.
Hi guys! For anyone who is new to this channel, my name is Veganella. I am Gothic Vegan 05's sidekick, and whenever she does any taste testing videos, she calls on me, the gal with the big old gob, to test the food, to rate the food, to eat the food, and I give you 100% the honest truth of what I think about the grub in these boxes. So, first things first, the proper chips. Now, these are the sour cream and chive proper chips, 20-gram bag for the retailed price of £1. So at Proper, taste is everything, and Proper Chips is no exception. Proper's team of flavour makers have sourced the best quality natural ingredients to coat these crunchy lentil chips. Take this pack of sour cream and chive flavour. We use a sprinkling of chives to add tangy sweetness to our creamy lentil chips. The all-vegan collection contains 30% less fat than leading crisps, under 100 calories per serving. High in fibre and a source of protein, lentils give Proper Chips a subtle, smooth creaminess and seriously satisfying crunch. That was crunch. Let's see if we can hear that crunch. Definitely a good crunch. Do that again. These are delicious. Yummy. I could eat all of these. Yum.
Ooh, Swizzles. Great British Pud chew bars. Oh my gosh. Look at these. This brand is bringing out a lot of vegan sweets. They're like the refresher. This is people that make refreshers, isn't it? This is Swizzles. So they've got lemon meringue, apple pie and custard, sticky toffee pudding and rhubarb crumble. Ooh. So that is those.
Next up we have these, and these are the Swizzles Puds, 150-gram bag for £1.29, that's really good. Great British Puds takes the flavour of the nation's most loved traditional puddings and sees them transformed into the unique chew bars. They were created by avid Swizzles fans and competition winners. Oh wow. Competition winner Tracy Jane. The flavours include sticky toffee pudding, lemon meringue, rhubarb crumble and apple pie and custard. Okay. I don't know if I'm really keen on a sticky toffee. Ooh, something's went up my nose. Let's, what should we try? Lemon meringue, shall we? The little packets look like this. Puds. I wonder if they're just like refreshers. They smell like refreshers, they look like refreshers. Let's see if they taste like refreshers. Ow! That tastes like a normal refresher. Don't taste no lemon meringue. Let's try another flavour. We'll try a sticky toffee pud. Oh, that smells of toffee. Oh, this one might be a little bit more promising. Oh, look, two-tone. Oh, it looks like. Yeah. Cool. Wasn't keen on it. Wasn't keen on this one, but bloody delicious. Well, let's just try them all. Apple pie and custard. Tastes like Jif or Sif. Look, that one. And this one is rhubarb crumble. Okay. Lemon meringue and the apple pie and custard. Yeah. Sticky toffee pudding and raspberry crumble. Thumbs up. Sticky toffee pudding, by far the best.
Mezette hummus with herbs with breadsticks. Dip and go. Ooh. That's different. Oh, it's weird that the hummus doesn't have to be refrigerated. With herbs. Herbs. However you want to say it. Herbs. There we go.
Cool. After all that, I've now got to try hummus. Right, so the Mezette herb hummus dip and go with breadsticks, 92 grams for £1.50. Mezette on the go snack pack is the ideal offering for your needs. Do you know what my needs are, Mezette? Grab it, dip it, and enjoy this vegan-friendly, gluten-free, 100% natural, no preservative hummus. There's no full stops, commas, or anything in that sentence. This herby hummus is so delish, a great grab and go snack. That grabbed and goed. Okay. Oh. That's great. Okay. Oh! Drop mama! Right, okay. It's in this little, I suppose it's good that it's in a separate thing. My carpet's oh. That looks like what I clean out the bottom of my fish tank, mate. Dip and chip. I don't know if I can do this. Oops. Ain't that tasty? Never judge a book by its cover. That is so nice. There is a little bit of a chili kick to it. It's a little bit spicy. I'm just trying to see what's on here. That would say, no. Oh, green chilies. That's what that is. But that is very delicious. I will munch that tonight when I'm reading some of my book, because that is yummo.
Oh no, it's a drink. We all know how I feel about drinks. What is this? Le Jolie. Sparkling Scottish raspberry rhubarb infused water with natural flavours. I don't ever fare well with the old drinks in this box, except for last month. There's the raspberry tea, which I quite liked. That was actually really nice. I actually bought a can of that from Marks and Spencer's the other day because I liked it so much. So I like anything raspberry. There's that.
So that brings us nicely onto the drink, because my mouth's on fire. So this is the Le Jolie Scottish raspberry rhubarb 330ml can for £1. And Le Jolie is pure sparkling water infused with natural flavours and nothing else. No artificial ingredients, sugars or sweeteners. That means it's going to be shit. And no compromise water for those who love soft drinks and want to stay hydrated, because we all forget to hydrate. Available in Scottish raspberry rhubarb, Sicilian lemon mandarin and Mexican lime mint. I'm glad I've got this one. Refreshing. Perfect straight out of the fridge and served with ice on a warm summer's day. Let's try this. Oh, rank. I repeat, rank. This tastes like sparkling water that's been left out for too long. It's disgusting. It is disgusting. You know, like when you go to a restaurant and they give you a Coke that's run out of the syrup and you just get the carbonated shit water. That's what that tastes like. I'm sorry, Jolly. You are not jolly. You are shitey.
Blendy roasted broad beans and green peas, fiery garlic flavour. Ooh. I like these peeling bags. I don't know what it's made of. I'll find out later. That's those.
Anywho, moving on. We can't like all things in life, can we? Next thing is these little beanie. Oh, I'm so sorry. Little bit of bread stick there from the hummus that slid out of one's teeth. I'm very sorry about that. Anywho, number 4 is the Blinky Snacks. The fiery garlic roasted broad bean and peas, 35 gram bag for £1.70. Blendy have taken the broad bean and pea and roasted them in the same traditional flavours we all love. Is that happening again? Fiery garlic, salted onion and barbecue, deliciously Moorish. We can't get enough of these. Can't get enough of these peas. Can't get enough of these peas. Oh, I'll get the peas out. Oh, I've dropped it. What's happening tonight? Oh, something just fell off that. Let's just try it. Cool, that's garlicky. A bit of peas in them. Whoa. That's going to keep the vampires away. I can't eat any more of these. I love them. They are so flavoursome. What's it say here? High fibre snack. Vegan. Nut free. High fibre. Gluten free. 140 calories and high protein. They're very garlicky. But they're delicious. They'd be nice on top of a salad, you know. Tomorrow's lunch, maybe.
Perfectly broken pretzels with sea salt, snackable chocolate thins. Yummy. They look good. And it feels like there's a lot in there. Oh, yummy.
We have these perfectly broken snackable chocolate thins with pretzels and sea salt, 100 gram bag for £2.99. It's a match. Who knew that sugar and salt could make such a perfect couple? Surprise your taste buds with this unusual combination, totally addictive. Oh no. Perfectly broken, absolutely love chocolate in all its forms. One day they made a giant bar using the best ingredients they could find and encasing them in delicious vegan Belgium dark chocolate. Then they broke it into snackable pieces so they could have it all the time, anytime. And that's it. Perfectly broken. The chocolate revolution. Let's go. Dun, dun, na, na. Dun, na, na, na. Dun, dun, na, na. Dun, dun. Ooh. Look at that, son. Look at that. Oh. This is good. This is good. This is bloody good. Yum. This is the one. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh no. That's that hummus shite. Ew. I must apologise for my swearing, I'm sorry. It wasn't hummus shite. That hummus shite was delicious. I'm sorry. I don't know what happens to me when I eat chocolate. I become a fool. I'm sorry. I apologise for my swearing.
Quite a lot in this box. Misfits plant-based chocolate hazelnut protein bar. Don't really feel. This one doesn't feel too thick. Normally they're really quite thick and clumpy, clammy. This one feels like a lion bar. That is that.
We have this, which is the Misfits Health plant-based chocolate hazelnut protein bar, 45-gram bar for £2. UK's first plant-based high-protein, low-sugar, triple-layered bar. Triple-layered? Each 45-gram bar contains 15 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of sugar, 8 grams of fibre and 100% natural ingredients. It is dairy and gluten-free, yet you still get the indulgence of a chocolate bar. This bar is the ultimate in taste. Well, after eating those little broken pieces, this has got a lot to live up to. Triple-layered. It does smell nice. Triple-layered. Sorry. I don't know who wrote that sentence. I'm sorry. This is not nice. This tastes chemically. Smells delicious. No. Absolutely no. Me not like it. Thumbs down. Nothing. That is... I don't like it. Sorry. I don't think you will either.
It's the last thing. Ooh, what are you? So this is by Beauty Kitchen. The Sustainables Organic Vegan Hand Sanitizer. 62% alcohol. Ooh, that's different, but very handy for these times. Very nice.
And then we come to the lifestyle item, which is the Beauty Kitchen refillable organic vegan hand sanitizer, 100ml for £6.25. Refillable hand sanitizer with 62% alcohol for effective sanitation. Refillable solution for all the family. This year there will be over 1 billion single-use hand sanitizers bought in the UK alone. Wowzers. It doesn't say that. Choose the sustainable option. 62% non-GMO ethanol effectively sanitizes your hands. Contains moisturizing aloe vera and vegetable glycerine to combat dry skin. Microplastic-free synthetic hand gels contain high levels of microplastics which damage our oceans. We are proud to be microplastic-free, cruelty-free proud suppliers to the Scottish Government. For vital frontline services, including the NHS, 2% of all our sales, not profits, go to the charity every single year. This is the little thing. Can't smell anything yet, so let's have a... Oh, that smells divine. It smells like a glacier mint. Fox's glacier mint. That's what that smells like. That's lovely. Hi, you've been changing my face. Whoop. Well, I didn't do it that time. That's lovely. Very much enjoy that smell. It's not sticky. Oh, hang on. No, it's not. Initially, it's a little bit sticky, but it's dried now, so That's fine. Smells beautiful. Bit expensive, but profits go to the NHS, so we're all for it. Clap the NHS. Woo! Sorry. Sales. 2% sales, not profits. Better get that right. I'm off now. So I feel a bit sick, if I'm honest. I've had a lot of chocolate up for this. I have enjoyed eating. But I need to go get some decent drink to wash all this down, because I'm not touching that shit water. I'm sorry to keep swearing, but I love you. Bye.
So that is this month's box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and we will see you soon for another video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I love you very much, and I will see you soon. Love you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. I said bye.